Welcome to our training on pricing products to please your customers. When selling in the Amazon store, you can reach many different customers with your products. You also have control over how you price those products. Remember, having the freedom to set your own prices also means you're responsible for how those prices affect your customers. The Amazon Marketplace Fair Pricing Policy explains how we monitor prices to protect customer trust. Actions that may harm customer trust include setting misleading reference prices, selling multiple units at a price greater than it would cost customers to purchase the units separately, or setting excessive shipping fees. For more information, review the Amazon Marketplace Fair Pricing Policy help page in Seller Central. Another action that harms customer trust is pricing a product or service significantly higher than recent prices offered on or off Amazon. Offers that violate this policy can lose the ability to become the featured offer or may even be removed entirely. Repeated violations can negatively affect a seller's account health. When you price products, think about not only supply and demand, but also how your customers will view the prices you set. Prices may impact your customers' loyalty if they feel that the prices take advantage of their needs or identities. This may also have negative long-term business implications. At the start of the COVID-19 pandemic, for example, basic supplies such as toilet paper and health supplies, including masks, were in short supply. For some sellers, this shortage presented an opportunity to delight customers by selling those products in the Amazon store for a fair price. Alternatively, sellers who priced those products much higher than the list price during the pandemic may have lost customer trust. Customers may have felt that those sellers were trying to profit from uncertain times. There's no place for this in the Amazon store, and we actively monitor and remove offers that violate our policies. Let's explore another way pricing can impact customer trust. Customers perceive some products as designed specifically for them. For example, makeup is designed for different skin tones. If a manufacturer sold makeup in shades for different skin tones at different prices, even if all the products in the line cost about the same to manufacture, customers may be upset with the price variation. To avoid this, manufacturers often set the same price across a product line, which is called line pricing. If a reseller sold those products in the Amazon store but set higher prices for certain makeup shades, customers may feel that the sellers are taking advantage of them. Fewer satisfied customers means less business in the long term. Unhappy customers may even leave negative feedback, which can affect your account health and ability to sell in the Amazon store. Finding the right price is an important decision, not just for each product you sell, but also for your brand, seller identity, and long-term business. Remember to think about not only supply, demand, and costs when choosing a price, but also your customers' needs and expectations. Put yourself in your customer's shoes. Would you be upset or would you be excited? That's a good way to delight customers, get better feedback, and build loyalty. Thank you and happy selling in the Amazon store.